Understanding, briefly, mastering this handy English expression. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very useful and common English phrase, briefly. Whether you're in a meeting, writing an email, or having a casual conversation, knowing how to use briefly correctly can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some common examples. Stay tuned to become a briefly expert. Briefly is an adverb that comes from the word brief, which means short in duration, concise, or to the point. When we use briefly in a sentence, we're indicating that something will be done in a short amount of time or in a concise manner. It's especially useful when you want to keep things succinct or indicate that only a short explanation or discussion will follow. Conversational usage. In everyday conversations, briefly can be used to signal that you're going to give a quick summary or answer. For example, I met John briefly at the party. Can you explain briefly why you were late? Academic and professional usage. In more formal settings, like academic or professional environments, briefly is often used to introduce a summary. Briefly, the study's findings indicate a positive trend. Limit the time or word count of a response. Please describe your experience with project management, briefly. It's important to know what not to do. A common mistake is using briefly when a detailed explanation is actually required or expected. For example, in a job interview, if asked about your skills, responding too briefly might miss the chance to showcase your abilities fully. Let's try using briefly in different scenarios. Scenario 1. You're at a networking event and someone asks about your job. How would you describe it briefly? Scenario 2. You're asked to briefly summarize the plot of your favorite movie. How would you do it? Understanding and using briefly can make your English more effective and precise. It's great for keeping conversations to the point and making sure your writing is concise. Remember, practice is key to mastering this useful adverb. I hope this video has been helpful, and I can't wait to see how you use briefly in your daily communication. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.